Now let's go back into the debate. And before I went into the debate, and thank you for staying with me, I put this question, Mohandas Pai, I put a question here, government is answerable to all the people, not to its political party supporters. Now, I want a response from you to start the debate once again to Professor Chenoy, who says we are not supporting giving a subsidy to our supporters, we are subsidizing the poor. He says this happens in Venezuela, it should happen in India. I want your response.
See, Arnab, if they really want to give to the poor, they have the list of the BPL, they have the list of the poor, let them give it across the board. Now, to give it to only 24,000 people who did not pay, of whom there could be Arvind Kejriwal, maybe the professor himself, maybe other people who are well off, and say only these 24,000 people are the poor, is a very frivolous argument.
Exactly.
Give it to everybody across the board, it's fine, you cross
exactly. Good.
And give it for 3 months before he came
to power. Good point. Kamal Mitra Chenoy, you have an answer?
Yeah, I question the figure of 24,000. I don't think Mr. Pai canvassed and moved over all of Delhi as AAP did. And I think we have a much better idea of how many are poor than looking at some CAG report or something else.
Sir, let me tell you.
With all respect, I think the figure should be clear.
Data into public domain, Mr. Chenoy.
1 minute.
Before announcing this,
I
have an important point to make.
One of you at a time. Ragini, wait. One second. First of all, Ragini and Sambit, you are both extremely worked up on the issue and you are both extremely aggressive. Now, the audio effect, if both of you speak together...
Congress is not worked up. Arnab, sorry to state.
No, you'll neutralize each other. Nobody can hear you.
Congress is not worked up. Had it been worked up, it would have withdrawn the support.
Why don't you
it is
set
just
your
the gimmick of Congress as it is a gimmick of the AAP.
Why don't you walk the talk? Why do you only sermonize the other?
Ragini, go back to Tulsidas for a while and let me speak.
Please do
Ragini, wait for a while, let me speak.
Sambit, let her speak.
Against which you are speaking.
Sambit, let her speak.
You have to allow me to speak over here.
Sambit Patra.
If you have no points,
you have to allow me
if you have nothing to contribute to this
Arnab,
debate,
you have to allow me the time
to
question both of them. I have to question the Congress. I have to question the Aam Aadmi Party, and the Times now has to allow me the time for that.
Now, 1 second, please.
I have a very important question.
One minute, please. Please don't behave like Parliament today. No, please don't behave like what happened in Parliament today. I'm not going to stand there making a sorry face like the Prime Minister and say that, I'm so sorry at what happened. Please don't behave like that today. We know what happened in Parliament. Don't replicate it on News Hour. 1 minute.
That's true, I agree.
No, let's not do that. The question is very serious. Anyway, you see, the point is, Kamal Mitra Chenoy says, I don't believe in the 24,000 figure, but that's not the issue. I don't care whether it's 24, 2,400 or 24,000 or 24 million. The fact is, people stopped paying their bills. Now, people stopped paying their bills because it was your political party slogan. Some other people continued to pay their bills. Obviously, if there are 10 lakh people who signed up for your petition and 24,000 who actually stopped paying their bills, then that is not just your support base, Kamal Mitra Chenoy. That is the hardcore Aam Aadmi Party support base. In other words, you are saying if you are a hardcore Aam Aadmi Party supporter...
I don't think that is necessarily true.
Sir, the government, the tax...
No, listen, Arnab, no pollster will accept this correlation. That you're poor and you're getting a subsidy, therefore you're an Aam Aadmi supporter. It just doesn't hold. Yes, some of them must be Aam Aadmi supporters, otherwise you would not be in government. But to say that everyone who's poor, prior to getting a subsidy, is an Aam Aadmi supporter, and that too hardcore, whatever that means, I think that's a bit much.
Sir, I'm sorry. I completely, with the greatest of respect, disagree with you. No, 1 minute. Do you agree that the people who signed up for your petition were possibly Aam Aadmi Party supporters? Let's be very real, okay? Were they?
Yes, of course, sir.
Okay, so fine. 1 minute. Question number 2.
But that
question number 2.
All of them got.
Sir, you are a professor. Subsidy. Sir, you are a professor of JNU, and you even though you are not a mathematics professor, you realize we are talking about the universal set.
The petition.
No, 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me make my point with Kamal Mitra Chenoy. Therefore, 10 lakh people is the universal.
Anybody could have signed up.
What's it? 10 lakh people
who opened up a petition. You are a Supreme Court court that opened up a petition and everyone in this country was supposed to sign this petition.
Can both of you stop hijacking this?
The law of the land is supposed to open up petitions, not Aam Aadmi Party.
That's a special leave petition.
Sambit, 1 minute. Sambit, 1 minute.
Don't take it in the little...
Sambit, 1 minute. Sambit, are you a television anchor?
Sambit,
are you a television anchor?
No. Yes.
Are you trying to take over my job? So please then allow me.
Friends, I'm a television anchor.
No, please, Sambit, have some patience. What is going on here?
Okay.
Have some patience. Please understand. I am saying the universal set of people who signed up for the
panelists also to ask questions. You should allow the panelists also.
Arnab, I got a question for the
I'll tell you one thing. One second. When I have done an interview recently where there was an attempt made to ask me a question in turn. I will not say which interview. And you know that I did not allow it with the gentleman who wanted to ask me questions. So you don't try either, Sambit. Now my question is this. The question is 10 lakh people is the universal set. Therefore, the 24,000 is the hardcore base. It is part of, and you are saying, you are my hardcore base, here's a little bit of money. You are distributing
Arnab,
6 crore rupees among your...
absurdum. Now, see, now you're tallying numbers which have little relation to each other. The subsidy we give is not only for electricity, we'll give a subsidy for water also. So that is the budget kept for that.
Sir, and, you are not...
And this whole thing, that if people are poor, there are hardcore supporters. If that is true, very good. Because
what do you mean?
Should be a party of the poor and the lower
Kamal Mitra Chenoy,
this is
wrong. You are not subsidizing the poor. I'd say you are robbing the honest consumers. Krishnappa, what you are doing is you are robbing the honest consumers. Why should I get punished because I did not break the rules?
Even Arnab, you're out of date. In Europe, they don't have this theory anymore.
Well, I don't know what theory.
The theory of the free lunch has gone.
Well, this is the greatest free lunch you are giving to the people. This is the greatest. This is singularly the greatest free lunch that you are giving to your political party supporters, sir. Where is your conscience today, sir? A party is answerable to the people, not just to its hardcore supporters.
My conscience is clear. I don't have to make an accusation that everyone who gets a subsidy is bought by me. Indians are an independent people. Even the poor have their self-respect.
This is the first...
This idea that they can be bought and therefore become our supporters is repugnant to democracy.
Kamal Mitra Chenoy, this is not a subsidy. This is not a subsidy. This is a dole for your workers.
Yeah.
No, it isn't. You might do it, we don't.
I'd just like to point out that electricity is free in Punjab where BJP and Akalis are
We don't have equatorial division lines
and the chief ministers of Maharashtra and Haryana are running over themselves to copy the Aam Aadmi power policy.
I want Mr. Prasad, one minute. Ragini wants to come in before that. Ragini, before that.
What is the litmus test for deciphering?
Ragini, okay, Ragini. I just have one small point which I want to make to Mr. Singh. You claim there were 24,036 people who participated in the boycott. Now, my question is, how do you know these numbers, one? Secondly, how can you verify, most important, whether it's 24 or 20, how can you verify that the bills they received had been inflated? Weren't inflated power bills the basis for your calling for a boycott? In other words, there is no basis on the basis of which you can distribute the 6 crore rupees. You are essentially saying that in the future... No. You are saying essentially in the future, if you are a hardcore Aam Aadmi Party supporter, you will get a little bit of money after the election. That, I think, is unethical. Completely unethical.
Arnab, the basis for this is the people of Delhi's belief that the power discoms are taking us all for a ride.
No, you deliver your real promise.
Exercise.
No. I'll tell you another reason why this is divisive. No. I challenge you and Kamal Mitra Chenoy today. I have one question. I'll give you another reason why this decision is very divisive. And don't divide our country. Please don't divide our country. I'll tell you why. If you support Khap Panchayat, I'm saying that.
Talking to whom?
So I'm saying I'll tell you, Mr. Kamal Mitra Chenoy.
Aam Aadmi does not accept. Aam Aadmi does not support Khap Panchayat. We condemn it.
Sir, you don't condemn it. Yogendra Yadav says there should be a dialogue.
We do condemn it.
So it is illegal. Let's not go there.
Yogendra Yadav has said so publicly.
Sir, there is
He's our main theorist.
Sir, Mr. Kamal Mitra Chenoy, let me tell you this. If Yogendra Yadav comes on Times Now and says the existence of Khap Panchayats is unconstitutional and illegal and that they should be scrapped and they have no business in disbursing any justice. They have no business in a modern country in disbursing any justice. then I will say you take that position. But if you want to soft pedal your position, if you want to say, I say in
Arnab become modern. He has said this on Facebook.
Sir, who cares about becoming modern? A medieval institution, you want to modernize it? An illegal institution, you want to sanctify it?
No, but the medieval
institution which should be scrapped and broken up.
Sir,
don't give me... Sir, please, this can't be. This is not anyway. This is not into a sociological jargon. My challenge here is today...
Arnab, you're misquoting Mr. Yogendra Yadav.
Sir, Mr. KP Singh. Mr. You say today, Mr. KP Singh and Kamal Mitra Chenoy. I say today.
Guerrilla economics of Aam Aadmi Party.
1 second.
And this is immoral trafficking of the taxpayers' money.
Anyway, I think
immoral trafficking of the taxpayers' money.
Don't use terms like immoral trafficking, Samvid. That has another connotation.
I am asking... Okay, Kamal Mitra Chenoy.
Let's go back to immoral trafficking of the taxpayers' money. Just because I was not a signatory to your petition, I would be charged more, I would be punished, and the one who was your core worker, in fact, would be rewarded. Is this not paying from my pocket? Is this not immoral trafficking of the taxpayers' money? Is this not guerrilla economics that I have been talking about?
There has been no
Please,
such thing.
For God's sake, this Maoist way of functioning is not going to suffice.
There has been no such thing except in your imagination.
You are giving... Now, here's I'll tell you what. Here's a question. Ragini wants to come in. My question
Imaginations do not block debates, remember. Imaginations do not block debates.
Shambhet, 1 minute. 1 minute.
You don't have to tell me, Samvid, how to debate. We are in power. You are supporting us from outside.
No, they are not supporting you. The Congress party is. Here's the question.
We are supporting you from outside. We are not supporting you from anywhere.
No, they are supporting some particular actions.
Okay,
not us as a government.
1 second. I say here today, you promised to cut electricity tariffs ahead of the election and you did that soon after assuming office. Okay, so that part is taken care of by announcing a subsidy of 50% on electricity tariffs and ordering an audit of DISCOMs. So till here we are on the same page. So what you are doing right now is that you are seeking to help the already beneficiaries of a 50% tariff cut. You are giving these 24,036 people a subsidy on top of a subsidy without identifying who on earth these people are and whether their bills are actually inflated. In other words, this is indiscriminate populism. This is misgovernance.
Listen, number one. I think Arnab, you should Arnab, you must distinguish between populism and popular. The subsidies are popular.
Sir,
the attack on us is popular.
Ragini, response. No, I say Arvind Kejriwal is rewarding those who have violated Section 56(1) of the Electricity Act. He has himself, as Chief Minister, violated 144 of the CRPC during his dharna calling for the transfer of 4 SHOs. He has taken no action against the law minister who is accused of being part of a company which I'm sorry to say has served as the conduit for the most immoral of sites. He won't take any action against them. He'll start distributing these kind of things. I'm sorry. I disagree with you.
42 African ambassadors came for a meeting. Listen,
sir,
42 African ambassadors this afternoon came for a meeting and there was a discussion of the Khidki incident.
Sir,
so you're out of date in your attack on
Sir, the fact remains you are providing supporters money.
Kamal Mitra Chenoy, Khidki is not going to be an excuse for all mishaps that you're doing. Enough of Khidkis we had. Please, for God's sake,
we're not using
talk
it as
on
an
governance. Khidki is not going to be your escape route.
It's not our escape route either.
Okay,
where are you getting this imagination from?
1 minute. 1 minute on the debate. I must ask the Congress party. If you genuinely disagree, then you must consider your support because you disagree with them on everything and you keep supporting them, which means the only reason you want them to continue is because you hope that somewhere they will dent the Modi vote bank.
Yes.
Arnab, you can give n number of interpretations, that is your point of view and you've got every right to put that across. But the point still remains that we've not just given them outside support, we've given them a chance to live up to the expectations of the people and we are yet again giving them a chance to correct themselves if they possibly can. But on every account, they have proved themselves to be highly incompetent, inefficient and ineffective. In this particular case, there's one last point that I want to make. I think the problem with populist measures is that it also casts a spell on the people. so that they stop reading beyond the surface narrative. And I think it's high time that we scratch on the surface and see what lies beneath. And when we'll actually delve into this issue, we will understand that all this cacophony about populist measures.
You can't have the last word. You can't have the last word. That was the last word.
Sustain the momentum of the people's support.
No, Sambit.
You cannot accuse BJP.
No, Sambit. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen.
Has lost the plot, and they see a supporting actor.
Ladies and gentlemen.
They see a supporting actor.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Leading actor.
This is the problem. This is the problem. All political parties.
Hero borrowing. Classical case of hero borrowing.
Okay, all political parties always won the last one. But 1 minute. We put this. I am asking a question here today. Suppose there is a poor man. 1 second, Sambit. Sambit, listen. Sambit, please listen. Sambit, listen.
That the Aam Aadmi Party is denting
you have been listening to all but not allowing the BJP to speak. What do I do?
You see, this is, I should be allowed to give.
I should be allowed to.
Okay. I give Sambit Patra the award today. I give 1 minute, please.
The Congress has won only 8 seats, so I believe you should speak only for 8.
I am giving Sambit Patra.
And you had your
Sambit 1 minute, please.
Time on Times Now. That is all.
Sambit, I got
8 minutes.
Okay, well, Sambit 1 minute. I am giving you on a serious note. I am giving you the award today for speaking the most and complaining the loudest. But I, in any case, will just say, oh, don't interrupt me now, Sambit. Don't interrupt. The question here is, I am asking you, suppose there's a poor man. I'm leaving this as a thought with the professor. Suppose there's a poor man who's not an Aam Aadmi Party supporter. And he did not stop paying money. Why should he be punished? That's all I'm asking. But that's a bigger question. Correct. I thank you all for participating. Absolutely. Professor Chennoy, I'm happy you came. And Mr. Singh, thanks for coming.
And shouting and
thank you. My question is, thank you, gentlemen. My question at the very end is this. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. At the very end is we put out four exclusive reports at the top of NewsHour tonight. In your view, do they tell the story of the government falling apart? Has the Prime Minister lost control completely? Tell us what you think and what should the Prime Minister do. And tomorrow, 6 p.m. onwards, the national poll projection. By 9 p.m, the full result. 9 to 11 p.m, big debate. That's our national poll projection. Tomorrow, till then and only till then, good night and goodbye.